Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Amazon Visa card. First, ensure you activate your new card as soon as it arrives to begin enjoying its benefits. Next, link it to your Amazon account for a seamless shopping experience, making future purchases incredibly easy. Understanding the basic reward structure from the start will help you maximize your savings right away. This initial setup is crucial for unlocking all the advantages your card offers. Maximizing your rewards is straightforward. Prime members enjoy an impressive 5% back on Amazon, Com and Whole Foods Market purchases. Non-Prime members still receive a generous 3% back in these same categories. Additionally, you will earn 2% back at popular spots like restaurants, gas stations, and drugstores. For all other purchases, you will consistently get 1% back, ensuring every spend contributes to your rewards. Redeeming your hard-earned points is incredibly simple and flexible. The easiest way is to apply them directly at checkout on Amazon.com, where they can be used towards millions of eligible items. There is no minimum redemption amount when shopping on Amazon, making it convenient for any purchase. Alternatively, you can choose to redeem your points for cash back or even gift cards, offering you versatile options for your rewards. Effectively managing your Amazon Visa card account is key to a smooth experience. You can easily access all your account details, statements, and transaction history online through Chase.com. To avoid any late fees, I highly recommend setting up automatic payments. Regularly monitoring your spending and reward accumulation ensures you stay on top of your finances and maximize your benefits. Remember, customer service is always available for any questions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.